Hi everyone, welcome to Evie's Toy House. My voice is going to sound a little bit off today because I recently caught another cold and once again lost my voice for a few days. Today we're making a brand new custom pony as requested by you. I'll be making future Twilight Sparkle. Future Twilight appeared in It's About Time in the 20th episode of the second season of My Little Pony Friendship is Magic. To make her, I'll be using this Twilight Sparkle figure. I like this figure because she has a very tough look. Before we begin, I have two trivia questions. The first trivia question is, who is Luna's older sister? Make sure to stay for the rest of the video to find out the answer. Alright, let's get started. The first thing we want to do is to remove the wings. We won't need the wings because in the It's About Time episode, Twilight doesn't have her wings yet. Now we're going to remove parts of the mane. Here in the back, we're going to use an xacto knife and cut the portion that goes around her shoulders. On the front, we're going to trim the bangs back. Now using air dry clay, we're going to rebuild the mane. I'm going to add a large chunk of hair in the back, and we're going to go back to it later. We're also going to add another chunk of hair in the front. Now using flat triangles, we're going to add a few pieces in the front, stacking them together and pointing them upwards. Then I'm going to add a strip across the front as the bandage. Here in the back, we're going to cut the mane using scissors. We're going to make it a little bit rough and jagged. Using some clay, we're also going to add a little eye patch. Once the clay is dried, we're going to paint it. We're going to start with a magenta stripe. Then a stripe of purple. And now we're going to paint the rest of the mane blue. Now for the answer to the first trivia question, who is Luna's older sister? The answer is Celestia. Did you get it right? Here's the second trivia question, who is Stinkin' Rich's great-granddaughter? For the body, we're going to paint it a very dark gray, but we're going to leave a few patches so that it looks like her outfit ripped. Then using silver, we're going to add a few scratches on her body. And now for the answer to the second trivia question, who is Stinkin' Rich's great-granddaughter? The answer is Diamond Tiara. Did you get it right? If you did, say I win. And as a final touch, we're going to add a little scratch on her face. Alright everyone, so here she is, my future Twilight. What do you guys think? This was a pretty easy custom and also a lot of fun to make. So the biggest part, of course, is the hair. I made the hair out of air-dried clay and basically just kind of made it very jagged and looked like it was cut very poorly. And of course we have that big bandage across the forehead to hold everything up. And the body is also very simple. It is just very dark gray. And then I left a few holes open so it looks like there are tears. And then using silver, just drawing some hash marks to make it look like scratches. So this one is a very fun custom to make. And I hope you guys liked it. So let me know down below in the comment section what you think of my custom. And if you guys like this video, make sure to subscribe and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!